Bollywood stylish beauty Tia Mirza was recently seen launching one of the India's most stylish wedding lifestyles magazine, Wedding Vows. Dressed in a simple blue jeans and a white halter top, Tia looked stunning in her casual avatar as she launched the magazine. While the pretty lady reveals that it's similar values that she's looking for in her Mr. Right, she has big plans of getting married in 7 different ways, especially in Hyderabad, her birthplace. Check out as Tia divulges more details about her wedding vows.
मैं जब भी ब्राइडल फोटोशूट करती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है, अच्छा लगता है. बट समटाइम्स आई रियली वंडर कि जब मेरी असलियत में शादी होगी, व्हेन इट्स एक्चुअली टाइम फॉर मी टू गेट मैरिड, वेदर आई विल एक्चुअली spend the kind of time that you end up spending for a photo shoot at a real wedding. The answer is yes. I think a wedding for any girl is a dream situation. She wants to look her best, she wants to feel her best, she wants the best for that ceremony. But I haven't really ever sat down and said मुझे इस तरह की शादी करनी है. I would like to get married in Hyderabad, given that it's my birthplace. But you never know. These are decisions that are made based on what both the families want, what the boys' side wants, what the girls' side wants. So right now, I don't know. If you give me a choice, I would like to get married in 7 different ways. I really liked the way the clothes were put together for this shoot. It had a very beautiful old world charm to it. There's something very classic about the way the garments have come together. And the most interesting thing was that a lot of them were net and cotton, so the workmanship didn't weigh you down. It was still very pretty, but you felt light. And I could easily imagine standing in that outfit for 5 hours, 6 hours interacting with guests. Jewelry also, I feel, should be worn to accentuate your features, to make you look good, not to drown you. So I'm not big on sab pehen lo, शादी का दिन है तो सब लगा लो. No, I think for any human being, I mean for any woman, I'm sure the ideal partner would be someone who shares similar values, who has similar goals, who has a common platform where you want to strive together, you want to achieve similar things in life, you have basic respect for family. That's very important. And then of course everything else falls into place, personality and charm and all of that. But I think the core fundamental thing that I would look for in a life partner would be values. We need to have similar values.